Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The sent ones had examples particular to the individuals. Sometimes the abode of demons must incorporate aspects of illusion and delusion. Everyone has a demon, except as far as they are a devotee. Being exposed to Scripture can break the attachment to mere material things and their relations. Sinful habits stifle the understanding and reception of Scripture. From the superior to inferior qualities, divine permission was required for the possibilities. Sin leads to speculation. Believers and devotees should be the ones to teach Scripture. Meditation and rituals should have breaks for teaching. Divine beauty, as even known through the mineral, is as a mocking of the beauty of creation and its supremacy. Pomp of worship should not be for material gain. The secret and humble worship is never in vain. The sent ones were to only carry out their spiritual duty, and all their goals were aligned with that pure consciousness. Turning life into meditation and penance is how to make ourselves as the same sort of throne of divinity. In the tarot, there's the aces, which are the throne for the princesses. Eternal time is beyond goodness, passion, and darkness. Tension separated creation from the divine essence. The summary of modes: material, sense perception, knowledge and ability, controlling entities, foolishness, immovable entities, the plants, lower animals, moving life, and the humans are the causal creation. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The potency of the all-attractive, the source of pleasure. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.